Hello guys, welcome to the workshop. I have some cool tools to show you today. More exactly, a grinder from Bosch. It's an angle grinder. It's a big one. It has those big discs, you know, to 30 millimeters, and it has a power rotation of 6,500 rotation per minute, and it comes with 2,400 watts of power, of raw power. You can see it on also on this side and on this side. It has also the soft start, which we are looking on a grinder. Soft start means pornire înceată in Romanian. Okay, so let's open this sheet. Okay, on this side. Or on this side, my bad. It has this. So small seals. Okay. Got rid of those. Also another seal over here, and it's out. Okay, let's turn it around the face towards you. And inside the box, we found the keyboard, which is a really tough one. Ooh, it smells like new. Okay, the key and the beast, which is big, really big. This is the protection in case that you want, you know, not to have your disc jumping around in the wrong places. It comes with a manual in multiple languages. You will not have a problem with it. And yeah, you have all the information here as needed. But yeah, it's an angle grinder. Everybody knows how to use it. But just take a look. Oh shit, son! This is big, and this is it. Heavy duty and heavy lifting. You need some big muscles to handle this thing. Okay, so I cannot press it. Something blocks it. I'm wondering what. I have to go in front and then press it. Like this. Anyway, so in order to turn it on, you have a little arrow over here that you need to push forward and then press it in order to, you know. And also it has a blocker in case that you want to use it in other ideas like a stand or something like that, you know, to cut other things. It has also a blocker which can be released by pressing. So you can block it, going forward, in front, go towards you, and after that you are somehow catching it over there. And now it's on permanent on. Simple as that. Here's the holes for your protections, for your handle. And yeah, the cable is pretty. Yeah, it's pretty flexible. You can go with it wherever you need. But the heavy, dude, it's heavy. Oh, you can do bitches with it. Anyhow, we will put this baby to a test. And going to test it right now. Just wait a moment and we will see it in action. Okay. And let's not forget, I also bought here from emag as well. Emag. Okay. I have some good stuff. I got also the discs for this Bosch, you know. And here they are. Sorry, Mr. Pant. Okay. So I got this one. This is for polishing, you know, after cutting, after you cut something. What? Oh no, this is two metal cutting discs. They were pretty cheap, so yeah, I got one for extra spare, you know, just in case. And this one was a bit of, this is for inox, cheap as well. All the discs are from Bosch, and this one is for concrete because I plan to cut to pavement because I want to change it to something else, but this was expensive, and considering that was expensive, it seems that it has only one diamond star instead of 3, so this means that Bosch has also some other good stuff out there instead of this one. This was like 100 lei. Yeah. And this was what, 600 lei, so yeah. Don't worry, I will post the link for this beauty where you can find it on emag or also on Amazon. Okay guys, so now we are building up this big Bosch. Just take a look in comparison how big it is. This has like 115 millimeters disc, and this has like a 230 millimeter disc. It's really huge. So we are like building it up because the old metal cutter just ran out of discs, and now I don't have any more. I'm putting on the protection because we need protection, for sure. That's the one. Just 57 instance. Okay. Nice and easy. Easy peasy. Almost easy. Also it has a bigger key. I want to tighten up, which I really want. Mai le luăm cu nuci. Use the button to block. I want that. Let's see how our engineer is doing. He is my little helper when I'm cutting steel. I didn't name it him yet, but it's very, very cute. This is what I do in my break time. Ia uite. Say hi, hi, hi. Guys, it's very strong. You need some big biceps if you want to weld this monster, you know. Say bye bye for now to this one.